Hey guys! That's not how I start my videos. Yeehaw everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Aliyah, and today we are going to be doing another look with the James Charles. I heard people talking. James Charles and Morphe palette, baby, yes! Well, today I'm going to be doing this look for you. I don't know what to call it. It's like purple, beautiful, thank you next vibes. I don't freaking know. Get excited. Get your popcorn. I don't know how video this long is gonna be. I can't talk anymore. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I doubt that long because it's a pretty easy tutorial. So if you're excited to watch this tutorial, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Like I said in the last video, this palette is $39 for 39 shades. Really good quality. Amazing pigment, as you could obviously tell. Like, no regrets buying this palette. Usually don't have any regrets unless it was ABH Subculture. But we won't talk about that one anymore. We don't give that any attention. We don't give that any, of our brain space. Buy this. Not just saying that because he knows I exist. I don't care. Well, I actually really do care, and I'm really scared that he knows I exist, but I really appreciate it. But that's not why I'm saying it. It's like just really good, so I just suggest that you buy it. I don't really know what I was talking about, so give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button and turn into the post. And let's get started, baby cakes. If you're ready, just keep watching. I haven't brushed my teeth, but it's a really great thing you're not here in person because that means you can't smell my breath. First, let's get this baby out so I know what I'm doing and I can tell you guys what I'm doing. Right, okay. First, we're going to start with Skip. The 4 colors we're going to be using, actually 5. We're going to be using Skip, Pinkity Drinkity, love that, Artistry, and Escape. But I like to say Escape. It's Escape. I'm sorry if the lighting sucks, but look how beautiful that is. First, we're going to start with, I already forgot. Skip. Oh my fudge. I didn't even prime my eyes. I'm so stupid. I finally got an eye primer. I just went by Walmart and got some e.l.f. primer and it works fine. And I will say that I do think that it does really help out. So even if you get e.l.f. eye primer, you'll be set. Which is like $3, $2 maybe? I don't even know. You don't need to buy Paint Pot from MAC. Which I have and cried after I bought. But yeah, you don't need it. Yay! So now I'm going to set my eyes with canvas and also flashback. Because that's what I did on my other eye. Because I was like setting it with canvas and I was like, why don't I just set it with the white? Because white is like the ultimate base color. So then I had to go back on top. But I have to be even because we want the same looking eyes. My eye looks wet. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to photograph that. I sound official. I can't wait to photograph that. And now I can go in with Skip. So I don't know why he said Skip is the name, but Skip is the name and blending is our game. So I'm just literally gonna blend it in my crease like a cool person. Hope you can see this action. And look how pigmented it is. Like, it is pretty good pigment, like just starting off. And then plus when you build it up, that ish is amazing. This strand of hair is really disgusting. I haven't brushed my teeth and haven't brushed my wig, so this is the kind of life I'm living. And can we talk about the fact that I'm actually not like depressed today? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Love That. We love that for us. And I'm gonna deepen the crease with it. No, I'm literally not gonna do that yet. I'm such a slowpoke. I'm gonna go back in with Skip and actually intensify this. So now we're gonna do the fun part, which is using Artistry, which if you don't know what it looks like, frick you. It looks like this. No, my nails still aren't painted also. Hi sisters. That is the best color in the world. Whenever you swatch it, it looks a little bit underwhelming. Like, it looks amazing on the finger, and then you do that, and it's like, oh wait, no, that looks amazing swatch. Maybe because like I got like through the first layer, because sometimes shadows you need to get through the first layer of it and then it's like amazing. Oh, Jesus! James didn't come to play, and neither did I. Spray your brushes with your Fix Plus or whatever the frick spray you have, because Either way, it's gonna get wet and it's gonna get beautiful out here. We're just gonna go in with artistry and we're gonna pack that on our eyeballs. Not on our eyeballs, on our eyelids. Do you see that? I don't know if you can, but I see it and I'm crying actually. If I didn't have makeup on, I would be actually sobbing. I would be having a full-on breakdown, but the best kind of breakdown. A happy breakdown. Are those even a thing? Never felt a breakdown of happiness. Just breakdowns of sadness and breakdowns of contemplating life and existence. I promise I'm fine. This color is beautiful! It hurts me! My body just went... Okay, now we're gonna deepen the color because this has no dimension to it whatsoever. So we're gonna go in with Love That. Start it in the outer corner of the eye. And like, we're literally almost done like already. And this color is gorgeous. Like, just look how beautifully it goes like just on my eye. And like light pinks and purples are like my favorite color. So I'm kind of in heaven right now. This color, the purple, makes me feel like a salamander, but in a really good way. I'm feeling it. So just know that, ladies and gents. Like, I could just nut 10 million times and I would still be nutting afterwards. Speaking like that makes me also question why I even exist, but I still talk like that anyways, so I can hate myself more. I'm gonna go in with Escape. And I'm gonna get this little tiny blending brush. Ah! Did you freaking see that? Replay! That was abnormal behavior. But I'm gonna get Escape and I'm gonna just put it on the outer corner of my eye, just to really deepen it and make it really extra pretty and beautiful. Because we're here to look extra pretty and beautiful. And guys, I really hope you all had a really good Thanksgiving. I know mine sucked and it didn't even happen yet, but that's just how it goes for me. Don't ask why, I'm not gonna tell you. But I can't wait for Black Friday when you'll be watching this. I hope you guys have a fantabulous Thanksgiving. I'm probably gonna be editing this on Thanksgiving, but I'm happy doing that because I have nothing else to do on Thanksgiving because the circumstances just ain't it. Do I look beautiful? I feel pretty beautiful. Aww, she feels beautiful. She looks so ugly. Okay, now I'm gonna put some more of that purple-ish on because I'm addicted to it. Sparkles are like a drug. You just can't not want it all over your face. Like, this color just made me, it just took me to a whole nother level of life. And now I'm like on like my highest game and I can conquer a dragon right now. I can conquer a beast. Well, no, I'm not gonna say that I can do that because I don't want to deal with Satan like that. I don't know what I'm talking about. That was so much fun. See, like, that was so easy. Like, we're done. Maybe I should do my brow bone so we can do that. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I literally use like 2 brushes and they're both just like random brushes from one of the ABH palette, from like the ABH palettes, because they're literally all you need in life. James, if you ever want to send me your brush set, you can totally do that because I will never not accept free things. But, you know, a biddy can't afford that right now, so 2 ABH brushes will literally do. Oh, and for my brow bone, I don't freaking know what I used. Ring light and face. Can't see it, sorry. I tried my freaking hardest, but sometimes when you try your hardest, you still don't succeed, but that doesn't mean you cry, it means you die. So now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use my Rinky Dink cheap elf eyeliner because it does the job. No offense, but I feel, sorry, excuse my profanity. I just feel really nice. I think purples and pinks make me feel like I'm a fairy princess girl. Also, guys, if you like to pray about things, you should totally pray that I make my way, downtown. You should pray that I make my way over to LA because I would really love to do that as soon as possible because I feel like currently where I am, or anywhere that I have been recently, is not where I'm supposed to be. And it's kind of getting annoying and it's getting really old and I would really love to leave. I'll be living there within a year's time, so expect that to happen. And it's gonna be from YouTube. Okay, so just want to let you guys know this has been the worst eyelash application of my life. I think I discovered that all this time I've been putting on each lash on the wrong eye. So now I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. That was my dishwasher because I washed the dishes days ago and then forgot to actually press start. So So I'm gonna start with Escape. And I'm gonna start on the outer edge of my eye. And now I'm gonna go in with, well, first I'm gonna blend that the frick out. And now I'm gonna go in with Skip and go in the middle, the center of my eye. My eye is getting wet. Stop. It's so wet. Do you remember that part from High School Musical? And it's just kind of like, Troy, what are you talking about? And now I'm gonna go in with Artistry, and I should spray the brush first. I'm gonna spray my brush. I don't know what that was. And I'm gonna go in with Artistry. I'm gonna take it so it's like from my inner corner all the way to my bottom lash line. Never tried this before, so I'm sister stoked. Okay, I think I enjoy this. I think it's different, so I'm not entirely sure how I feel about it, but I like it overall. Okay, so I did that, and I put a little bit of white shimmer from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette from Armed and Gorgeous. I use VIP because it's like straight up white, so I use that like on the inner corner, so it like brighten it up a lot more. So this is what we got. I think it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna add my highlight now. ColourPop Au Revoir, you already know. And yes, the highlight shade does work amazing. Face, I'm pretty sure it's called. But this is just my ride or die highlight, and she's never done me wrong, so I just can't not use her. Like, I don't think I physically can. We don't have a choice in these streets. You just do it. Sorry, I know I'm not Shia LaBeouf. Wow, that joke was like 5 years old. Now I'm gonna dab a little bit of this highlight on my nose. Lastly, I'm going to use this lipstick from Sugar Pill. Thank you, Renee, for giving it to me. It is called Cubby, and I'm going to put it on my lips. Ooh. This has nothing to do with the rest of the look. But it smells delicious, so... Ooh. We're just gonna do a neutral moment, because sometimes you just gotta do that to them, you know? I'm gonna line my lips with this Palette pencil that I bought from Ulta, like, literally 100 years ago. This is literally black. I hate the shape that I just made of my lips, but when are they ever the shape that I want them to be, honestly? This lippy is from e.l.f. It's in the shade Warm Verbena. I really do love these lipsticks. They're so pretty. I love when my lips look lopsided. It's so good for me! Okay, so this is the finished look! And I freaking love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is a finished look. Literally, like I said, this palette is honestly beautiful. And, ooh, so there's this video that surfaced Twitter, and it was this girl really complaining about how the pink eyeshadow specifically stained her eyelids, like, really bad or something. And her eyelids were, like, literally straight up pink. And I don't want to be rude, but guys, eyeshadow stain. On the box, it says something about, it has a thing that says pressed pigment, and it has a picture of an eye and then a circle with a cross through it. So I think that's a warning saying that, like, the pigment, like, kind of will frick with your eyes. So you really can't complain about it. Like, you're supposed to be responsible for that. Like, the company's job is only supposed to put warnings on, and they did. And if your skin is sensitive like that, you should know to look for it. I'll let you guys know if it stains my eyelids when I take it off. Even if it does, I literally don't care. Like, the other day I did a makeup look before I got this palette, and I was like, oh, we love a stained eyelid, like, whatever. Like, it's fine. Like, it goes away. Like, it's not like your eye is that color forever. But this look is absolutely beautiful. I'm getting, like, Thank You Next vibes. I'm getting, like, Alien vibes. I'm getting, like I said, Salamander vibes. And I'm loving all of the vibes that I'm getting right now. So, I'm a happy girl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey, guys. I told you I would tell you if this stuff comes off and stains my eyes. So, here we go. Oh no, it stains my eyelids. Okay, like, I get why she's mad, I guess, because, like, it kind of stains it, like, kind of a lot, but it literally tells you that it stains your eyelids, so honestly, it's not even that bad. It looks worse on camera than it does in real life. It doesn't even look that bad. Sorry, girl. It's really not that bad. yeah, so I love you guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.